Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are well and doing your job properly. So after many days, we again start our this chapter, some application of trigonometry, which is chapter number 9. So much is a chapter. We have done this NCERT books. Now we are doing multiple choice questions. Already I told you two type of angle are there: angle of elevation, angle of depression. If from downside looking upwards, this is meaning angle of elevation, line of horizontal below your eyes. And angle of depression, if your line of horizontal is above your eyes, that is known as angle of depression, from upside to looking downside. So we will start this. Already I told you, mainly use of 30 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree, and use of this angle, tangent, sine theta, maximum cos theta. And if you know these remaining three also, you can easily find out. So we can start with this first question. Try to understand these. Question is this: the length of shadow of a tower on a plain ground is under root 3 times the height of the tower. What's the height of the tower? So how we can solve? This is the tower and this is the shadow of the tower and this is the angle formed. What's angle formed? We have to find. Let's theta is angle formed. Understood? And what's saying? The shadow of the tower on the plain ground is under root 3 times. So we can say its height is x. So this is under root 3x. Got it? So what we can say in triangle? Easily we can say, what's its answer? In triangle, what's triangle? ABC. AB by AC is equal to what? ABX by under root 3x. Cancel it. So what is this? What is this? This is tangent theta. Theta is this. So this is perpendicular. This is base and this is height. So tangent theta perpendicular by base. So this is. So 1 by under root 3. So tangent theta equal to 1 by under root 3. So theta equal to 30 degree. At 30 degree, value of tangent theta is this. So what's your answer? B is your answer. Understood? Now the angle of depression of a car standing on the ground from the top of a 75-meter high tower is this. This is the tower whose height is 75 meters. Try to understand this. And you can say this is the car and watch. Someone looking here. So this angle formed. So this angle is how much? 30 degree. So this 30, this also 30. This line is parallel to this. So alternate interior angle are equal. The angle of depression of a car standing on the ground from the top of 75-meter tower is 30 degree. The distance of the car from the base of the tower is. You have to find out this. Understood? Directly I can tell. But again you can say angle is this. So perpendicular is this. Base is this. Hypotenuse is this. So tangent 30 degree is equal to what? ABC. AB by BC. AB 75. BC x. And what's the value of tangent 30? Tangent 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 75 by x. Transfer in this side, cross multiplication. X is equal to 75 under 3. The distance of the car. So what's the distance of the car? C is your answer. What's your answer? C. So if you can understand these, easily you can solve these. A ladder, 15 meter long, just reach the top of a vertical wall. So this is, and ladder is like this. This A, B, C. A ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of a vertical wall, and this is a wall. Vertical. Horizontal this, vertical this. If the ladder makes an angle 60 degree with wall, so this making 60 degree with wall. And how much long? 15 meter. Then the height of the wall. So we can say X is the height of the wall. Understood? Again in triangle, which triangle? ABC. AB by AC. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 60. Angle is 60 degree. Understood? So what we have to find out? AB. AB equal to AC. Sine 60. Under root 3 by 2. What's your AC? 15. So AB equal to 15 under root 3 by 2. Anywhere given? Yes. What's your answer? B is your answer. So all are very easy. Question number 4. The angle of depression of a car parked on the road from the top of a 150 meter height. This is a tower whose height is 150 meter. And car is standing here. So this, someone standing here, so this angle is how much degree? 30 degrees. So if this 30, this also 30. Understood? The distance of a car from the tower. So A, B, and C is the point. C is the point where car is standing. So we can see in triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent 30. Tangent 30 AB, 150. So AB equal to 150. This is equal to X, and what is 1 by under root 3? Its value is this. So transfer this. So what's the value? Cross multiplication. X is equal to 150 under root 3 meters. So what's your answer? B is your answer. Got? All are very easy. One more. If a pole 6 meter high cast a shadow. So this is the pole. This is cast shadow. This is how much? 6 meter. Shadow how much? 2 under root 3 meter. And like this. On the ground, then sun elevation. So we can select theta is the elevation. So what we can say? This is a triangle ABC. So AB by BC is equal to what? AB by BC. What's perpendicular by this is tangent theta. Tangent theta. What's your AB? 6 by 2 under root 3 is equal to tangent theta. If you can show 2 3 ja. So what? And this is equal to under root 3 equal to tangent theta. So what implies this? Theta equal to 60 degree. How can 3 by under root 3? We can write like this: under root 3 into under root 3 by root 3 cancel out. So what's your answer? A is your answer. All are very easy. And mainly using tangent theta. So you must know value of tangent theta: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Only these three. Able to show 99%. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a point on the ground 50 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is the foot, this is tower, and this is a point where angle of elevation how much? 45 degree. 45 degree. Then the height of the tower 50 meter. Sorry, this is 50 meter, and let this is X. So this also 50 meter. Directly I can tell, because tangent 45 is how much? 1. So what we can say? In triangle, which triangle? ABC, AB by BC is equal to what? Tangent 45 degree. What we have to find out? X by 50 is equal to 1. This implies X is equal to 50 meter. In this type of question, if angle are same, so it's meaning perpendicular and base are same. So what's your answer? B is your answer. Understood? All are very easy. One more. A ladder makes an angle 60 degree with the ground when placed against a wall. So first make figure, this is a wall and this is a ladder. What's ladder? Making angle how much degree? When placed against a wall, how much degree? 60 degree. The ladder is 2 meter away from the wall. This is 2 meter. Then the length of ladder meaning this you have to find out. So this is A, B, C. We can solve by using tangent theta also. But here what we can say? BC by AC is equal to cos 60 degree. Base by hypotenuse, cos. So cos 60. Cos 60 is how much? BC how much? 2 meter. AC, we have to find out cos 60, 1 by 2. So cross multiplication 4 equal to x. So what's the length of the ladder? Length of the ladder is 4 meter. All are very easy. So this given again. Next questions. Question number 8, the ratio of the length of the rod and its shadow. So the ratio of the length of the rod, this, and its shadow, like this. Directly I can tell. The angle of elevation, so we are saying this is the angle of elevation. So what we can say? Length of the rod is, we can say x. Then what is this? Under root 3x. A, B, C, perpendicular by base. So AB by BC is equal to tangent theta. AB x, this is under root 3x is equal to tangent theta. Cancel out, so 1 by under root 3 equal to tangent theta. So at what degree? What's the value of theta? Value of theta where it's become 1 by under root 3. So theta equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. So what's your answer? A is your answer. Got it? So all are like this. Easily we can understand. Again one more question given. Question number 9. If the angle of elevation of a tower from a distance of 100 meters from its foot is, so angle of elevation of tower, we can say this is the tower and this is 100 meters away. This is the angle of elevation. It's 60 degree. What's the height of the tower? We can say let x is the height of the tower. So AB by BC is equal to tangent how much degree? 60 degree. ABX by 100 meter is equal to 10. This is under root 3. Why? Because tangent 60 equal to under root 3. So what's your x? X is equal to 100 under root 3. So one thing is common in all questions. Easily you can understand that. If you know the value of these, same question repeating, angle remaining same, sometime 30, sometime 45, sometime 60. Mainly using these three angles. So the altitude meaning height of the sum is 60 degree. Then the height of the vertical tower that will cast a shadow of length 30 meter. It's meaning the altitude of the sun, not sun, is 60 degree. So this is like this. Cast shadow, this 60 degree. The altitude of the sun is at 60 degree. Then the height of the tower, or vertical tower, that will cast a shadow of 30 meter. This is 30 meters, so this is saying x. So what's this become? Again this ABC. So what we can say? AB by BC is equal to tangent 60. AB x by 30 is equal to under root 3. So what's the value of x? X is equal to 30 under root 3. So again you can understand, all are very easy. So in this way we can solve, all are related to this. Try to understand this. If the angle of elevation of a tower from 2 points different, distinct meaning different, A and B, and A is greater than B from its foot and in the same straight line from it 30 and 60 degree, then the height of the tower is this. So this given and like this given. So this first angle, if the angle of elevation of a tower from the 2 points, one is distance A, so this first angle is how much degree? If the angle of elevation 30 degree, and then its angle become 60 degree. This is point A, B, C, D. Here BC equal to A and DB equal to B, and what's given? A is greater than B. Then the height of the tower, so we can say let x is the height of the tower. So what we can say, some in triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent, how much degree? 30 degree. So AB x by A is equal to tangent 31 by root 3. So what's your x? X is equal to A by root 3. This is your first. Yes or no? Now second, what's your second? In triangle, which triangle? ABD, AB by BD is equal to tangent 60. What is this? ABX, BD, B, tangent 60 and root 3. And what's the value of x? X value is this, so we can put it here. A by under root 3b, under root 3b equal to what? Is equal to under root 3. Yes or no? But what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of, sorry, here what we can do? We can change it. This step we can change. We have to find out the value of what's value we have to find out. So according to this, x is equal to what? Under root 3b. Understood? This is also value of a, this is x, this is also value of x. So both are equal. Both are equal. So how can we find out? So a by under root 3 is equal to under root 3b. What's its meaning? A equal to 3b. Its meaning is this. So how can we solve it? So in this right here, according to the answer, according to the answer. So which one is its value? Its value, we can write a equal to 3b coming. So a minus 3b coming like this. So just wait. So we can find out, but we need value in what? We need value in A and B. So we apply another method here. So look one time. So like this. So what we can take in triangle ABD, AB by BD is equal to tangent 60. What's tangent 60? And this we can say H, this we can say B. So what's it's become? H by B is equal to tangent 60. Understood? Now how can we write? Now taking this taking, so what is this? This is in triangle ABC. ABC. So what is this? This we can write AB by BC by BC. AB by BC is equal to tangent 30. Understood? And AB by BC, this how can we write? Tangent 90 minus 60. In this way we can write. Understood? And what is this? This is what? ABH. This is what? This is what? H by A is equal to, and this is equal to cotangent 60. Yes or no? Cotangent 60, and this how can we write? 1 by H is equal to tangent 60. This value. So look, this and this. Comparing first and second, both are equal. Comparing left hand side and right hand side, what's H by B is equal to A by H. Cross multiplication, H square equal to AB. So what's your H? Under root AB. So what's your answer? So B is your answer. You can show like that also, but it's very easy method for you. Converting into, in this, we can convert in this also. First tangent 30 value you can find out, and then find out cotangent 30. So as you wish, by which method you can solve it. Next, question number 12. If the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 point different A and B from the base and the same straight line with the complementary, it's like this same. This is same. Only change in the statement. Here also complementary. Complementary meaning what's their sum? Sum of two angle is 90 degree. So here also sum of angle is what? 90 degree. And you have to find out the height of the tower. So again your answer is here also B. Here how can? Here you can see figure is like this. So if one angle is theta, then other angle is 90 minus theta. This you can say H, A, B, C, D. This you can say B, this you can say A. Again in the same process, theta we can write tangent theta is equal to AB by BD. This is H and this is A. So again we can write H by A is equal to tangent theta. Then what? This triangle AB by BC is equal to tangent 90 minus theta. So this is not given in your syllabus. These, how can convert these? But if 90 minus theta, that convert into cotangent theta. So AB by BC is equal to cot theta. And this you can convert in 10. So it's meaning BC. BC is what? B by H is equal to tangent theta. Again same procedure, first and second are equal. Tangent theta, tangent theta. So compare these. H by A is equal to B by H. Again H square equal to AB. So what's your H? Under root AB. So both are same. Here angle given. Here you have to given complementary. There some also 90. That's one part of this. This is a generalization of it. And this is a one part of it. Understood? So both are same. Theta 90 minus theta take here 30 degree and 60 degree you have to take. There's some also 90 degree. There's some also 90 degree. So definitely they are complementary. So till here you can solve. Tomorrow we can start next part of it. Try to solve these. According to me, these two are important. Remaining also important to understand the concept. Thank you all of you.